This is Kevin Odom. Welcome to City Man Cook 2019. It's going on. It's our 20th anniversary. Hey, look, folks, sit back, relax. You're going to enjoy today's event. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Set fire.
I've got a couple of celebrities here. Maybe you recognize them from NBC5. I've got Samantha Chapman and Evan Anderson. What brings you guys out today?
Oh man, we had to come out. NBC5 is a proud sponsor of this event. We come out every year. We love Terry. He is doing just an amazing job in the community. And quite frankly, if anybody knows Evan and I, they know we love to eat.
Oh my God. Okay. And you're in the right place to eat. What do you think, Evan?
It's amazing. I can smell the food. I'm thinking like, how soon can I leave right now?
Yeah.
Go get some meat.
No offense, but we like, whew.
I'm Kina. I am the founder and owner of Mocha Cosmetics. And Terry is always supporting Mocha, so I had to come out and support him. This is my third time being a celebrity judge, and I think it is absolutely wonderful that these men cook for us on Father's Day.
I'm originally from Mississippi, so my standards for barbecue are high.
Okay. Well, I will tell you, we won't disappoint today.
Oh, so far you haven't.
Oh, awesome.
Start new traditions. I lost my father 2 years ago, so now I come out and hug fathers and eat food.
Hey, that's a great new tradition.
This is the largest dinner on Father's Day.
It's all about breaking bread first. That's where we start. In the back of the day, when we broke bread to be with family, we sat down. Sit down with your family. You get to know each other. Father, reach out.
I'm excited about men cooking.
Oh, yes.
My mother always said, don't marry a man that can't cook because you'll starve to death.
You're starved to
And
death.
so from the inception of this and seeing these brothers cook, and they can cook.
Yes, they
Mercy.
can. The variety is excellent.
The desserts. There's a mac and cheese to make you want to hurt somebody
yourself.
over in here.
I've been trying to cook for 20 years, but I've heard so much about it and we've covered it many times that I decided to come out and see what people are talking about when you see the fathers and the sons and mothers.
Oh yeah,
Their
most
mothers.
definitely. Yes.
The atmosphere is just exciting.
This is a part of life for me, and family, and being with our people, and celebrating men. So I love it, and I wouldn't miss it. And I don't know what Ellis has, but whatever
Girl,
he
the
has,
collard greens, like he had last year. The others had them collard
I
greens.
love him, so I'm going over this.
You are also missing a treat if you're not here. The food is absolutely amazing. The people are amazing. A good day for the cause.
So, Zakia, tell me, what brought you out to this great event?
Well, one, I love to eat. No, but also I'm a celebrity taster today. And so Dallas is my home. I've been doing strategic public relations, media coaching. These are my folks, and it's Father's Day. So listen, perfect storm. I get to eat and love on the city that has been loving on me.
City Man Cook, City Man Cook, City Man Cook.
Terry Allen for seeing and understanding the vision to make this be a success that it is. He's the vision. Love you.
20th anniversary, City Man Cook. You know how we do it.